Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to this event, the final conference of the SUSTAINair project.
Circular economy is probably one of the biggest integrator issues leading us into the future. So it's an issue for every industry. Thinking about how to use less material, how to recycle better, what kinds of materials to use, while at the same time providing the safety standards which are absolutely imperative in the aviation industry.
A lot of companies now, of course, have implemented circular economy into their strategy, but the business model is the challenge. How can you actually integrate circular economy principles into a business model and actually make bills be paid? Yeah?
Europe has the problem that does not have enough resources, enough raw materials. So circularity could be a solution, but it needs to be economically viable. And so that can only be achieved with investments from the European Commission, with the support of the European Union, together, all actors together.
There's really new cool technologies that are happening. It's very exciting to see that a lot of different companies and institutes and researchers are working together to solve this issue.
I assume most of the people in the room are engineers, and we were trained like technology will solve everything. And the reality is that we are creating solutions and technologies, but then somehow they are not implemented, and it's really about the people, and we need to find a way to be more comfortable with new technologies, new ways of thinking to really make progress on this.